Drones are changing our world. These small unmanned aerial vehicles are revolutionizing the way we think about transportation, surveillance, and even entertainment. From their humble beginnings as military tools, drones have evolved into versatile machines with a wide range of applications. These unmanned aerial vehicles are no longer science fiction. They have become a part of our everyday reality, seamlessly integrating into various aspects of our lives. Whether it's capturing breathtaking aerial footage or delivering packages, drones are proving to be indispensable. They are real and becoming increasingly common. In cities around the world, you can see drones buzzing in the sky, performing tasks that were once thought impossible. Their presence is a testament to the rapid advancements in technology and innovation. Drones are already used for photography, filming, and surveillance. They offer unique perspectives and capabilities that traditional methods simply cannot match. From capturing stunning landscapes to monitoring construction sites, drones are changing the way we see the world. But this is just the beginning. The potential applications for drones are vast and varied. Researchers and engineers are constantly exploring new ways to utilize these incredible machines, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The future of drones is full of potential. Imagine a world where drones are an integral part of our daily lives, assisting us in ways we never thought possible. From delivering groceries to providing emergency medical assistance, the possibilities are endless. Imagine a world where drones deliver packages to your doorstep. No more waiting for days or even hours for your deliveries. With drones, the future of logistics and delivery is faster, more efficient, and more reliable. Picture drones helping farmers grow more food. They can monitor crop health, apply pesticides, and even plant seeds with precision. This technology can revolutionize agriculture, making it more sustainable and productive. Think of drones assisting doctors in remote areas. They can deliver medical supplies, transport samples, and even provide telemedicine services. In places where access to healthcare is limited, drones can be a lifeline. This is the future that awaits us. A future where drones are not just tools, but partners in our daily lives. They will help us solve problems, improve efficiency, and enhance our quality of life. Drones offer a unique combination of mobility and versatility. They can navigate through challenging terrains, reach inaccessible areas, and perform tasks that are too dangerous for humans. Their adaptability makes them invaluable in a variety of situations. They can access places that are difficult or dangerous for humans to reach. Whether it's inspecting tall buildings, exploring hazardous areas, or conducting search and rescue missions, drones can go where we cannot. They can operate autonomously, following pre-programmed routes or responding to real-time data. This capability allows them to perform complex tasks with minimal human intervention, making them highly efficient and reliable. And as technology continues to advance, drones will become even more capable and sophisticated. With the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning, drones will be able to make decisions, learn from their experiences, and adapt to new challenges. The world of tomorrow will be a world of drones. They will be everywhere, working together in swarms, communicating with each other, and performing tasks with unparalleled efficiency. This interconnected network of drones will transform our cities and our lives. They will be an integral part of our lives, transforming industries and shaping the way we live, work, and interact with our environment. The future is bright, and it is flying on the wings of drones. Drones are evolving at a rapid pace. What was once a niche technology used primarily for military and hobbyist purposes is now becoming a ubiquitous tool in various industries. From agriculture to logistics and even entertainment, drones are making their mark. The rapid advancements in drone technology are not just incremental, they are revolutionary, promising to change the way we live and work. In the next 10 to 20 years, we can expect to see significant advancements in drone technology. These advancements will not only improve the performance and capabilities of drones, but also make them more accessible to the general public. Imagine a world where drones are as common as smartphones, assisting us in our daily tasks and making our lives easier and more efficient. These advancements will make drones faster, more agile, and more intelligent. High-speed drones will be able to cover vast distances in a short amount of time, making them ideal for tasks such as delivery services and emergency response. Agile drones will be able to navigate through complex environments with ease, performing intricate maneuvers that were previously thought impossible. One key area of development is battery life. Current drones have limited flight times, typically around 30 minutes, which restricts their usability for long-duration tasks. However, researchers and engineers are working tirelessly to develop new battery technologies that promise to significantly extend drone flight times. Current drones have limited flight times, typically around 30 minutes. This limitation is one of the biggest challenges facing the drone industry today. But with advancements in battery technology, we are on the brink of a breakthrough that could change everything. However, new battery technologies are emerging that promise to significantly extend drone flight times. Innovations such as lithium-sulfur and solid-state batteries are being developed, which could potentially offer flight times of several hours. These new batteries are not only more efficient but also lighter, which will further enhance the performance of drones. We can expect to see drones capable of flying for several hours on a single charge. This will open up new possibilities for their use in various fields, such as agriculture, where drones can monitor large areas of crops, or in search and rescue operations, where extended flight times can make a significant difference. Another area of progress is artificial intelligence. AI will enable drones to make decisions and navigate complex environments without human intervention. This will make drones more autonomous and capable of performing tasks that require a high level of precision and adaptability. AI will enable drones to make decisions and navigate complex environments without human intervention. Imagine a drone that can autonomously navigate through a dense forest, avoiding obstacles and finding the most efficient path to its destination. This level of autonomy will revolutionize industries such as logistics, where drones can be used to deliver packages to remote or hard-to-reach locations. Drones will be able to identify obstacles, avoid collisions, and adapt to changing weather conditions. This will make them more reliable and versatile, capable of operating in a wide range of environments and conditions. For example, drones equipped with advanced sensors and AI algorithms will be able to detect and avoid birds, buildings, and other obstacles, ensuring safe and efficient flights. Furthermore, drones will become increasingly integrated with other technologies. They will be able to communicate with smart devices and systems, creating a seamless and interconnected ecosystem. This will enable new applications and use cases, such as smart cities where drones can monitor traffic, air quality, and infrastructure in real time. For example, we can expect to see drones equipped with advanced sensors, high-resolution cameras, and even robotic arms. These features will enable drones to perform a wide range of tasks, from aerial photography and videography to precision agriculture and industrial inspections. These advancements will further expand the capabilities of drones and enable them to perform a wider range of tasks. As drones become more advanced and versatile, they will play an increasingly important role in our lives, transforming industries and creating new opportunities for innovation and growth. One of the most promising applications of drone technology is in the field of delivery. Imagine ordering a pizza and having it delivered to your doorstep by a drone. This is the future that companies like Amazon and Google are working towards. Delivery drones offer numerous advantages over traditional delivery methods. They can navigate traffic congestion, reduce delivery times, and minimize environmental impact. Drones can also access areas that are difficult to reach by road, such as remote communities or disaster zones. While drone delivery is still in its early stages, it is already being tested in several countries. For example, in Rwanda, drones are being used to deliver medical supplies to remote clinics. In Iceland, drones are delivering groceries and other essential items to residents in Reykjavik. As drone technology continues to improve and regulations catch up, we can expect to see drone delivery become increasingly commonplace in the years to come. Drones in agriculture sowing the seeds of a technological revolution. Drones are also poised to revolutionize the agricultural industry. Equipped with advanced sensors and imaging capabilities, drones can provide farmers with valuable data about their crops. This data can help farmers optimize irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. For example, drones equipped with multispectral cameras can capture images of crops that are invisible to the human eye. These images can reveal signs of stress, disease, or nutrient deficiencies in plants, allowing farmers to take timely action. Drones can also be used for precision spraying, targeting specific areas of a field with pesticides or herbicides. This reduces chemical usage, minimizes environmental impact, and improves crop yields. By providing farmers with real-time insights and enabling precision agriculture practices, drones have the potential to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance food security. Section 5. Healthcare and drones reaching new heights. The healthcare industry is another sector where drones are making a significant impact. These flying marvels are not just limited to delivering packages or capturing stunning aerial footage. They are revolutionizing the way medical services are provided. From urban hospitals to the most remote villages, drones are bridging gaps that were once considered insurmountable. Drones can be used to deliver medical supplies, transport organs for transplantation, and provide emergency medical assistance in remote areas. Imagine a scenario where a rural clinic runs out of essential medicines. Instead of waiting for days for a delivery truck to navigate through rough terrains, a drone can swiftly deliver the required supplies within hours. This capability is particularly crucial in remote and underserved regions. In many parts of the world, access to healthcare is a significant challenge due to geographical barriers. Drones can fly over mountains, rivers, and other obstacles, ensuring that even the most isolated communities receive timely medical assistance. For example, in Rwanda, drones are being used to deliver blood and other medical supplies to remote clinics that are difficult to reach by road. This innovative approach has drastically reduced the time it takes to get critical supplies to those in need, thereby improving the overall healthcare system in the region. This is particularly important in emergencies, where timely access to medical supplies can save lives. In situations where every second counts, such as during a natural disaster or a medical emergency, drones can be the difference between life and death. Drones can also be used to transport organs for transplantation. The process of organ transplantation is highly time-sensitive. Traditional methods of transportation, such as ambulances or helicopters, can be delayed by traffic or weather conditions. Drones, on the other hand, can fly directly to their destination, ensuring that the organs arrive in optimal condition. Time is of the essence in organ transplantation, and drones can provide a faster and more efficient means of transportation compared to traditional methods. This not only increases the chances of a successful transplant, but also expands the reach of organ donation programs, potentially saving more lives. Furthermore, drones equipped with cameras and sensors can be used to provide remote medical assistance. In areas where healthcare professionals are scarce, drones can act as the eyes and ears of doctors, transmitting real-time data and images to medical experts who can then guide local responders. For example, drones can be used to assess the scene of an accident, provide first aid instructions, or even deliver defibrillators in case of cardiac arrest. This rapid response capability can stabilize patients before human medical teams arrive, significantly improving survival rates. In the case of cardiac arrest, every minute without defibrillation reduces the chances of survival by 10%. Drones can deliver defibrillators to the scene much faster than traditional emergency services, providing a crucial lifeline in those critical moments. The use of drones in healthcare is still evolving, but it holds immense potential to improve patient outcomes, expand access to healthcare, and save lives. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of drones in the medical field. The future of healthcare is undoubtedly intertwined with the advancements in drone technology. By continuing to explore and invest in these innovations, we can create a more efficient, accessible, and life-saving healthcare system for everyone.